Hello everyone. So today I want to talk about this special launch which I am bringing in Diwali. Sorry, for the New Year. Diwali is over. Actually, every year I bring a sale which is for the upcoming year to be prosperous, to be smooth, to be filled with abundance. And as usual, my first New Year sale product will be the Sai Baba candles, which people wait every year to get it from me. This time I'm not making 60, I'm just making 50 because that's how I felt guided. So whoever wants will have to join the sale to get their Baba blessing candles. Now, this is something which I wanted to talk about. I am bringing in a very powerful, abundant kit for the year 2025. Now, it will have दिस इज द वेल्थ गॉड नाउ मेनी ऑफ यू नो कि मैंने बहुत साल पहले वेल्थ गॉड का कैंडल लॉन्च किया था विच हैड गिवन लॉट ऑफ बेनिफिट्स एंड विच हैड गिवन लॉट ऑफ अबंडेंस टू पीपल सो ही इज द वेल्थ गॉड तो इस बॉक्स में इन दिस बॉक्स व्हाट ऑल विल बी देयर यू विल हैव दिस वेल्थ गॉड एंड you will have a special oil called as the gold oil. मुझे नहीं पता आपको दिख रहा है कि नहीं. I don't know if it is clear. See here, there's this gold, a gold sort of a layering. Can you see? So this is the gold oil which will come in this box, and the special attraction is this candle. Now this candle, I should say about this candle is, first thing is ki this has been painted by me and no one else, and I have put certain herbs on top. So this will come as a set of 11 candles. Okay, this is the cash bunch. And you might be wondering why not the Indian rupee, why the international rupee? Because I feel we all should start having money from all sources. So international source ke liye ye, Indian source ke liye what you have to do, I will tell you when you pick this kit from me. It will have 11 candles because you start from February. In a month, on every new moon you do this, and you do it till December. So 11 months is what you do. And again, there is a reason for me saying for February, which maybe I will tell those people who pick the kit from me. So this is one of the special launches. I am bringing lot more new products on this coming the New Year sale, and technically every product you all know is specifically customized, energized, and made by me, be it the oils or be it the herbs, be it the powders. With this, you will get a special sort of a gift, which is the ancestral prosperity money. We all use the Jose papers, which is for our ancestral money, for ancestrals to bless us. I will not show how the ancestor prosperity money looks, but what is this prosperity money for? There will be 11 notes along with this kit. So every month from February, when you are burning the candle, you will also, I will tell you what has to be written on that paper, on that prosperity money, and you will burn that money, and that ashes you will be throwing it in the universe for prosperity to keep coming, because it is not the Jose papers which we use for ancestral blessings, because this time I'm bringing a specialized ancestral blessing kit also with the Jose papers, the hoodoo style I'm bringing. But this is completely different. The notes are completely different, and the kit is completely different. So those who all want to be a part of the sale will have to WhatsApp me to 917-623-1990, and I shall add you to the group. And I will also be sharing the group link very soon in to all my students and friends and my followers. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. So, and if you want to know more products, or you want to know what are all the new things I'm bringing in, I shall be bringing some small videos very soon on it. And I shall but this sale is going to be very different, because I am bringing some unique products with the help of some of my students, and with the grace of Shirdi Sai, with the blessings of Shirdi Sai, I could bring in some powerful products this time, which again I could energize it, and then I could bring it to all of you all. So God bless you all, and I shall send you all the link. Those who want to join for the sale, you'll have to WhatsApp. Thank you. God bless.